Do you want to enable the new Instagram Story Comments feature, but you don't know how to do it? Well, you came to the right place, because in this video, we're going to show you how to enable them in just a few simple steps. Allowing comments on stories can drive more interaction and feedback, and it's a great way to connect with your followers. So the first step that we have to do is to open the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on your Android device. And then you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application installed on your device. The Story Comments is a new feature which Instagram has recently rolled out, so you have to update the app to the latest version in order to get the latest features and functions. So if it says Update right here, we want to tap on this button and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is installed onto our device. After you update Instagram, you can open it and then go over to your Instagram profile. We have to go over to our Instagram settings page, and we can do that by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. I'm on my setting page right now, and the next step is to find and select the Comments option. After the comment settings open, you will see the Who Can Comment section, where we have the option for the posts and reels, but you will now see this Story section in this new update, so you'll want to select it. And in here, just make sure that either People You Follow or Everyone is selected, and that way people will be able to leave comments on your Instagram stories. If it was set to Off, then the story comments were disabled, and that's why no one could comment on your stories. So just make sure that it's either set to People You Follow or Everyone. But if you don't see the Story Comment section in the comment settings, then that means that the feature isn't available for your country or region just yet. Or maybe some of you have the Story Comments option on one of your accounts, but it's missing for some reason on your other account on which you want to enable the comments. The solution to this problem is to simply wait a little bit more until the option becomes available for your account or your country, and you want to update the Instagram app regularly in the App Store or the Google Play Store. So just be patient if you don't have the feature in your settings. But that's about it, everyone. I hope that this video helped you out and that you were able to turn on the story comments on Instagram. Thanks for watching and enjoy.